first thing we need as server is to create a server socket object. Let's name this. And we need to assign a port number so that whenever any client is contacting server, it uses port number 8888. As you see, the package that has been already imported. Now it throws an exception. We need to handle it, so I have surrounded with try catch. Let's print out the exception. Now this is the first step. Now second step, what we have to do is we have to create an socket object. Socket object SC equals to, oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. Socket now we need to initialize socket object. So I've imported socket package. So what accept does is it waits until any client has made connection to server. If there is no client, then it waits endlessly unless client has accessed. After client is connected, then only it puts forward. Okay. Now we'll just check if connection has been established. So I'm gonna print out before connection, and after client makes connection, I'm gonna print it as after connection. So this was the server part. Now I'll create a new class that is a client. Let's name it TCP client. Create a main function. Now here first thing we need is create a socket. Socket equals to new socket. And what socket does is we need a host address in case main it is localhost because I have hosted locally, and second is the port number of that host. I had given 8888, so it will be same. And we need to import, oh, I'm sorry, we need to import the package, and I think we need to handle that run with try catch statement. I'll just print out the exception. Let's see. Oh, I haven't given an object. So it is. Okay, now we'll just check if connection is established. We run the server, it's before connection. Now we run the client. Let's see. Yes, connection is established successfully. Now this is the first part we have to do. The second part is we need at first client sends a message. So we need output stream in order to receive or send data by. So first thing is we need to create object input stream. I'm sorry. And we need to input its package, that is java.io. That asterisk you can use it, it's easy. Equals to new object input stream. Now what it does is, now inside object input stream we receive data from socket, so we socket dot get input stream. So now we need to typecast it. So string data equals to yes dot read object. create object. Now you see an error. We need, since the receiving data is an object, so we need to typecast into string. So this is it. Again, we need to handle the exception. I'll add calculators instead. Now I print my data. And this is the part where we receive the message from client. Now second step is to send message to client. So for that we need object output stream. I'm terrible at typing. Now what we need to do is get output stream. Let's say a data. Now we need to insert data, so we reply so what I'm doing is I'm getting input from the user, but I haven't initialized the scanner, so I'll just do that here. Since I've already imported JavaTCPSocket package, so now we need to send this message string using output string. So what we're going to do is let's use write object. We're going to use write object and we're going to send yes. So I think we need to handle this exception. We done it. Okay, I didn't. So this is the server part. Now we need to do client part same. So first we are sending message, so we need to create object output stream. It's same as client server. Now we get output stream from socket. Now we need to get input from the user, so again we need to initialize scanner. Now scanner. We will store that message in a string. Let's name client message. Now we're gonna write. It's still showing some error. We need to import this file. I'm sorry. we need to write that message in a socket using output string. That means os dot write object and the write client message. Now this is the writing part. Now we need to do the reading part, so I need object input string. So I need socket file, socket object, and get input string. Now that it is received, so we will have to read object. The problem is in typecasting the string. Same as server, we need to handle the exception. And it's same as usual. Now let's see if it runs or not. We run the server first. It's before connection. Now we run the client. Yeah, connection has been established. Now this is client. Now client is sending a message. Hello server. I'm gonna check at server. Now server is receiving a message from client. Now it's my time to reply. So I'll say hello client. Oh, what is this? Okay, I'm sorry. I think I've written the object in server. Oh, I'm sorry. We need to write message, guys. I'm sorry. Let's do it again. I run the server here. Then I'm going to run client. Connection has been established. Now client is sending message. Hello server. Here is server again. I have received a message, so I'll say hi client. The build has been successful. Here server has received message. It's again not working. Oh, I haven't printed. I'll do it again, guys. Wait. I haven't printed it. I'm sorry. And this is my final timeline. I'm gonna write client. The client is sending a message. Hi server. The server receives the message. Hi server. It's my reply. Hi client. I'm gonna run client. Client has received message from server.